Take a call. You on the air.
Benjamin, this is your cardiologist, Dr. Richter.
Dr. Rick! Hell yeah! You like hip-hop? What's your favorite jam?
Yes. I find this music offensive and crude. Your mother would be ashamed.
You don't know what my mama thinks, dog.
I heard the fast food bags earlier, Benjamin. You're eating those double flubby bubbas again, aren't you? What did we talk about?
Nah, man.
Are you lying to your doctor right now, Benjamin? Do you honestly think I'm going to fall for that? I am a
I
doctor.
think I'm losing you, Doc. More with Heavy Ben after this.
Still rival. I came in elite.
Hey, Hooders. Heavy Ben here. Hip-hop king I.B. Knight never showed up for his interview. So it looks like I'll be doing another solo run this week. Heavy Ben, great to have you back. Please, really, thanks. How's your record coming? I know I was working on a record. It's going okay. I think it could be big. Big? I see we're a little cocky. Sure, I mean, am I I.B. Knight? Hell no. No way, but a brother's gotta have dreams, you know? Yeah, but what's the point of having a dream you can never achieve? When was the last time you even sat down and worked on that record? Well, I've been going through some stuff. But are you really trying to convince me that you could be anything more than a sad amalgamation of cells, hernias, and disappointment? I'm more than a sad amalgam. Please, you nothing, yo. You never gonna finish that record. It's true. More with Heavy Ben after this.
What should we pick up tonight? Chinese? Mexican?
What's the difference?
Bored of the same old thing? Then call Heidi's Hot Slices.
Let me order a slice.
Heidi's is serving up the hottest and spiciest varieties in Vegas. We've got French, Hawaiian, Sicilian, and our very special meatballs.
I'm gonna give you a mouthful.
With so many slices, how can I choose?
You don't have to, baby. Our $5.50 special gets you a quintet of our sauciest slices ready to do things that'll